What's up guys, and welcome to the 9th tutorial of Bash scripting. And in this tutorial we're still on arithmetic operators, and I'll introduce to you the greater operator. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, cd desktop bash semicolon ls-l, see what we have in there. Okay, so now we need to do a touch. I'll just say greater .sh, and now using Nano, our favorite text editor, start editing the program. Okay, so hashtag exclamation mark bin bash, declare the integers, number 1 equals 4, number 2 equals 8, and now your if statement. If number 1 equals number 2, so we're using minus EQ, mustn't forget the $sign. EQ minus EQ number 2, then both values are equal, echo that out. And then we can use something called elif, ELIF, square brackets again, number 1 minus GT, number 2 then number 1 is greater than number 2. We can echo that out. And then we can say else, echo something like number 2 is greater than number 1. And we can end the program with fi. Now we can save this, Control X, Y, enter. Now we can do cat. So this is a program in Bash scripting that declares a variable number 1 equals 4, number 2 equals 8. If number 1 is equal with number 2, then the both are equal. Also, or else, if number 1 is greater than number 2, then we can say number 1 is greater than number 2, else number 2 is greater than number 1. And let's compile this program. Okay, chmod plus x, and the program's name greater.sh, and then / greater. Number 2 is greater than number 1, as you can see, because number 2 equals 8 and number 1 equals 4. Therefore you have number 2 is greater than number 1. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in tutorial 10. Thanks for now.